November 11th, 2024, a parking lot, a running car, a 4-year-old who does not know his last name, and a 1-year-old in the back seat. Someone called it in. Then someone else called it in. And the officer has been standing out here for 23 minutes before the mother even appears.
All right, well, I'm going to hang out with you until your mommy comes, okay? How old are you? 7? Okay. How long has she been gone? A long time? Is that your sister? What's her name? Oh, it's your boy? It's a boy? Oh, I didn't even know. Long hair. Okay, well. Do you know where you live?
Like a 94 call.
You don't know where you live? Okay. You want to see some fireworks go off? Huh?
How long you got?
Too long.
Well, yeah.
But I can't even go in there because I don't want to leave them alone. And I can't arrest her by myself, so I'm going to have Aaron here. Someone's going to take kids. Something's going to happen, though.
Well, yeah.
At first, if it was like 10, 15 minutes, I was like, I don't like it, but she can get a verbal lashing. Now she's going to get that.
Well, that you could just kind of forward to DCFS and they can take care of it. You know what I mean?
That's going to happen anyways.
Well, I know, but I mean, in that situation, it didn't have to be like
Go put me on that ticket on South Gary.
Aaron, watch Aaron. Aaron's going to lose. We're both going to lose it on this lady.
Well, it's like I had a lady in the fire lane who did something similar at Walmart. She was in there for like 15 minutes. She ended up having a warrant for.
I looked this girl up. She's clear, but.
Why so far away?
Huh?
Why would she park so far away too?
But the windows, like, at least roll the windows so you can't pull the kid out of the car.
Or they could.
Like, crack all the windows. There's 2 of them in there. There's a 1-year-old in there. Bother you with this, but my camera's about to die. 2, the verbal lashing that this mother's about to get, and I'm probably going to take her to custody.
She's still not here?
I've been out here for 23 minutes. This window is like wide open for this kid to just be ripped out of the car. And there's a 1-year-old in the back.
How old is this child?
He's 4. He doesn't know his last name.
Okay.
He gave me his mom's name, Jessica. I was able to find her in WebRMS. She's clear. But I couldn't even go inside to try to find this lady because I didn't want to leave them alone.
Right.
I mean, is that like a child neglect, abandonment?
One of the two.
Well, if it was like 10 minutes, I mean, the windows
Well, and it was
rolled.
probably a while before that.
Yeah, but the windows rolled down this much.
Is this maybe somebody right here?
And the 1-year-old in the back?
No, it's just somebody right here walking up.
I have no idea. She seemed young. It said born in 90 or 94, I think, 96.
It's not that young.
And for this one looks like for children
Yeah, it looks
taking
like
things out of her home.
No, it doesn't. Are you Jessica? How are you doing, Jessica? Are these your kids?
Yes, I just had to take my daughter to the bathroom really fast.
About how long were you in there really fast?
Just like 10 minutes.
You're a complete liar. Because I've been standing here, according to my body cam, for 25 minutes. Somebody also called, and that call came in about 12 minutes prior to that. So I've been out here for about 37 minutes. Your kids, 37 minutes. With a semi-truck running, there was like 3 vans out here sitting, and then multiple people have driven past your children.
I
mean, what?
I understand that.
No, I don't think you do understand. I don't know if you watch the news and what goes on in the world, but these kids could have been taken. Something bad could have happened to them. I mean, that's extremely neglectful.
I think we were out
I mean, you got 3 kids.
well.
Yes.
Why did you not take them all in?
Well, I mean, the baby was sleeping, and I mean, she only had to go to the bathroom really quick. I already had the stuff.
You also went shopping too.
Yes, I already had the stuff here, and I just needed to take her really. I had to go back and take her back in there because she was crying too much.
I mean, you've been in there way longer than 10 minutes. It's not even exact. Like, I have a counter right here.
There's a lot of people in the store.
But you have your children.
I understand. I could have. Yes, you're right. I
mean, at what point do you drop your shopping things and come get your kids?
I understand. And yes, you're correct.
Like a shopping cart, you could have gone and grabbed that, and taken them all in.
Yeah.
This happens all the. I mean, you're not the only one that has 3 children.
I know.
Lots of people have 3 children.
Religion one is 22.
I mean, it's not acceptable.
The college refused to separate the kids. I'm trying to walk out the door.
This is my first time.
Okay.
The 4-year-old knows his mom's name is Jessica. That is the most identifying information he has. Not his last name, not his address, not a phone number, just Jessica. If that window had been the wrong person walking past instead of a police officer, Jessica is all anyone would ever have had to go on. She says 10 minutes. The body camera says 25. The call came in 12 minutes before that. That is 37 minutes accounted for on camera alone before anyone even asks about the shopping. 10 minutes is a lie told to someone holding a counter.
And you live where?
In Glendale Heights.
In Glendale Heights. How long have you lived there?
My whole life.
Your whole life? Okay. His license plate's going back to
Lincoln
Chicago.
one is plain to look like the son is grabbing her now.
My mom's registered to the car, but I paid the car off. Well, the car's paid off because of me.
Who's registered the car?
My mom.
Your mother. Okay. Does mom live in the city then, or does she
Yeah,
live
she
in
lives
Glendale
with me. I
Heights?
live with her.
Who do you live with in Glendale Heights?
My grandparents and my mother.
All right. Do you, does your mother or the grandparents have a car?
No, my mom's at work right now.
Okay.
But yeah, she works in Elgin.
Okay. All right. I mean, I don't really see a justification or any kind of emergency situation here. Am I missing something? Is Officer Gianfranco missing something?
Yeah, I mean,
No, I'm serious. Maybe we're missing
I'm not
something.
justifying anything. I mean, I'm just letting you guys know what I did, and it's not justifying anything. I know I did wrong, and you guys are here obviously because I did something wrong.
Okay.
So,
Well,
I mean,
this is the thing. Go ahead.
you kind of understand where we're coming from,
Yes, I do
right? Like,
understand.
at some point, did you say like, I wonder how my children are doing? Like,
Yeah, Lincoln 49
My two
from,
kids?
or in Lincoln
yes,
3
I try
from
to
Lincoln
hurry
9.
up as soon as I can. That's why I ran out of the store.
40 minutes.
He went home.
40 total.
There's a lot of people in the store.
Can you assess
I
his
understand,
normal
but
freedom
40
to
minutes, but you only got
grab a
two
secondary
kids out
vehicle?
here.
We're going to need that to
What if they were
transport these
gone?
children back to the station.
What if you came out here and they
Time
weren't
three, we have three
here?
of them.
And they were just gone because you left that window. Like, I could have pulled your son right out the window and left with him. He doesn't know his last name. He doesn't know his phone
okay,
number. He doesn't know what
All right,
your
we'll
last
figure it
name
out.
is. He's gone. And I would hate for that to happen.
Out over there.
I mean, there's going to be some sort of consequence for that. Like, it's just going to be something that's going to happen here. So, you kind of left me no choice. Your keys are in the car. The doors are unlocked.
Sorry, clear about to
And two
Manuela.
children in
Out of
there.
Glendale Heights on a blue 2012 Chevrolet.
I just...
I can tell you all of this is not an emergency. Tyler has to turn around and grab another seat.
Okay.
This is a super bad decision.
Yeah.
This is not.
And I'm sorry I react the way I do. Like I said, though, I have two kids that are these exact same age. And I couldn't imagine leaving them for a minute in a car, unsecured, with my keys in it, in the back of a parking lot.
Wait, there's keys in this car?
Car's running. Car's running.
Okay, I'm gonna have freaking migraine.
Now you see why you're here.
What?
Now you see why you're here.
Then they probably didn't need to give them their ears checked. I didn't hear it. Okay, I got you.
No, that's
Oh, yeah.
Stood up to can you copy a suspicious vehicle?
that's why.
Don't fit.
So
Get a
Gonna be Lake
I'm
Ridge
gonna
Drive,
be honest with you. This is what's gonna happen. I'm so sorry. You're gonna be arrested. Okay? You're gonna be arrested for child
He had a
neglect.
gun and put it in at the park. The vehicle is no longer in
DCFS
the
is
area.
gonna be
It was seen
contacted.
7 minutes ago.
And that's the least of your worries right now. You should be concerned about your children, their safety, and moving forward, how you're going to act as a mother. I hate to tell you what to do right now and tell you how to be a mom, but clearly, you're not fit to be one in this moment. As I would be mad at anyone with my children, because I'm kind of looking at them the same way as I would with mine. So, that's what's going to happen. If you got a phone, I want to call your mom. Tell her to leave work. Hopefully she leaves, because I'm guessing she would leave work.
Because basically what we're going to do is we're going to bring a police car up here. We're going to put all these car seats in there. We've got a car seat with a little one here. And we're going to drive you all to the police station.
Because y'all are coming to the police station. I'm guessing he probably needs a diaper change.
Yeah.
I have clothes in the laundromat. clothes on the laundromat.
What about them?
I have all their clothes on the laundromat.
Where's the laundromat at?
It's over there. Bloomingdale.
Okay.
Can you copy 27?
Well, we'll get them.
What?
You can get them after.
Call mom and tell her to go get
Yeah.
them.
Try to grab 'em.
520-7839-9939.
I mean, are any? Is there a father or is there a male in the picture at all? You have full custody of all these children.
Yeah, this is the first time.
Have you ever had police contact before? Have you ever been arrested for anything? How old are you?
24.
24.
Did we do a secret H already?
I have not. No, I just found her in there real quick. So you understand the severity of this, right?
I understand.
It sucks, but you gotta be smarter than that. And we gotta do something. There's cameras. We had a couple of people call on this. This guy's been sitting in his truck watching these kids. So that's what's kind of going on. So I'll cuff you in the front. You're under arrest.
The break we're giving you is not towing your car, okay? So we can tow your car. I'm not going to do that to you.
Can you guys at least roll the windows up?
Yeah, we'll do that for you.
He tells her he has 2 kids the same age. And that is the moment this stops being a procedural conversation and becomes something else entirely, because he is not speaking as an officer anymore. He is speaking as a father standing next to a running car with an open window and a child who could not have told anyone who he belonged to. That is not performed anger. That is genuine fear about what did not happen today, but very easily could have. The concessions he extends at the end tell you exactly how he read her: cuffed in the front, car not towed, driven to the station rather than booked on the spot. He is drawing a line without destroying her life in the process. And he is doing it while being completely honest about what she did and what it could have cost. She cries and says she knows. And that is the most important thing she has said in the entire clip. Not the 10 minutes, not the bathroom excuse. Just, I know. Jessica was charged with endangering the life of a child. Her mother was called to the station. The children were transported with her. The officer's question is the one that stays. What if you came out and they were not there? What if that window had been someone else walking past? The 4-year-old does not know his last name. He is just gone. That is not a hypothetical designed to scare her. That is the actual universe that exists in parallel to the one where the officer got there first. And the only thing separating those two outcomes is timing. 24 years old, 3 kids, full custody, no father in the picture, living with her mother and grandparents. That is a lot of weight for one person. And none of it is a reason to leave a running car with an open window and 2 children inside for 40 minutes. But it is context. And context matters for what happens next in court, with child services, and in her own life going forward. Nothing in this video is legal advice. I am not a practicing attorney. Every situation is different, and qualified legal guidance requires a qualified lawyer. See you on the next one.